Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you have a good day and I hope you are healthy. Back again with me again, yeah. Faras at Learning Kids and Microtech with me. As you know, we will discuss and continue our material about CCNA, and now we are in chapter 2, chapter routing. So if you have you watched this first time, I suggest you to watch the routing at video static routing for your improvisation at our material. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment column, and I hope you will understand this material. So in this material we will discuss about standard access list. Okay, in generally first, and we are going to make LF at gigabyte tracer. Okay. First, this access list is like the rules on the firewall. It contains a list or list of rules created by the administrator. Who administrator? Administrator is we are administrators such as like engineering network and network engineer. This list of rules will later be a guide for router to do checking the incoming and outgoing packets of the router interface. As you can see on your screen, we have this topology. We use two router, one server for our configuration, two end user or PC, and one switch. Where is the package you want, in or out? It will process first in the access list, so which the packet can pass and which do not. Packets that can pass will the configuration with action permit. Okay, well, that is not deny. By default, there is implication deny any on and the configuration line. The rules will be read from top out to bottom. Therefore, when making rule, usually the administrator will make a specific rule first. Then the last one is general rules. The access list configuration is global. In order to the traffic filter configuration to work, it must be assigned to more specific interface. There are two traffic access lists, namely incoming traffic and outgoing traffic. Each interface can only have two access lists, one incoming traffic and one more to outgoing traffic. Okay, I will continue. Now, access list have two different types. In this video, we will talk about standard, and the next video I will continue about extended access list. Okay, for the access list standard is access standard used to filter traffic in general. This access list will filter all types of traffic from a host and network. We cannot determine which protocol will be allowed or rejected. An example is application is to block host from being able to communicate with other network. And if we are config access list, we must dynamic routing protocol first. Why? Because we don't know our neighbor. Okay. So if you want a configuration access list, we must configuration dynamic protocol such as OSPF or Egrp or RIP. You can free to what you chose. Okay. First thing first all, we must adding the configuration to our end user in PC and in server. As you can see, I created the IP address for a user is 192.192 and for PC is 2020. Okay, let's go to our configuration. First, I think we must owning our mode trunk first to our interface is going to our router. Okay, interface FA0/3, no shutdown, and switch port mode trunk. Okay, done. Okay, we'll continue. Goes to our second router or router first. Enable first configuration terminal interface FA0/1, no shutdown for 299 interface. Entering IP address is 192.168.11.1 with subnet mask 255. Interface FA0/0 goes to our neighbor router is 10. No shutdown. IP at is 10.10.1. subnet mask entering. Okay, done. Goes to our second router. Enable configuration terminal interface FA0/0 first to our neighbor. Now shutdown IP at 2010. Sorry, 10.2.2554 subnet mask. Okay. Next is interface FA0/1 to our server. No shutdown and entering IP address is 2020.1. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forget it to entering our subnet mask. Okay. After we are adding our configuration, we must, as you know, for the checking access list, I usually ping our server for our checking. But if you wanna changing the server is PC or other end user, it is cool. It is cool, but I think you I suggest you to follow me first. And if you have and the lab is complete, you can create it what you want. Okay, but if I ping goes to our PC, our server, is cannot be works because we just don't know about our neighbor. Okay, first we are adding our dynamic configuration, and now dynamic routing configuration a protocol. I will make dynamic routing protocol is Egrp. Okay, so as usually, if you don't know how to make Egrp configuration, you can watch previously this video. Okay, first you are routing Egrp. I wanna choose number 10, entering our network 192.168.11.0 net is AKI network. I summarization that 10.10.0. no auto summary, don't forget it. Okay, then second neighbor, if you give the number must same to our for any router. If you don't have the same number, the configuration we will not synchronize. Okay, net first 10.10. okay, as you can see on your screen, the Egrp is agency. That status is we are connected to our any configuration in this topology. Okay, net again 2020.0 same as. Okay, now auto summary. Okay, as you can see on your screen. Okay, if I ping again to our server, I think it's gonna be work. Sorry, I too fast to type this. Okay, as you can see on your screen, the PC2 and PC3 is same. The reply is message. We have a replying message from our server, and that's kind of that we are connected to our server. Okay, in this lab we'll deny or block PC3 with standard access list. Okay, first we have to know PC3 IP, what is who number of PC3 IP. Okay, I want to know 198.11.3. yeah. And for our configuration, I suggest you to create the access list in the here to our end server or our server. Okay, let's go for our configuration access list. Exit first. Okay, first we're gonna adding this access list 1, the number. If you have question, you can ask in this column a comment type comment. As you can see on your screen, the standard access list have number 1 until 99. That is the limit of the standard. And extend access list, the later our this video, 100 until 199. That's it. Okay, I will give the number 1 and deny. If you have question again, you can deny, permit, remark. I usually use deny. Entering our house is 192.168.111.3. After this, you use a you must entering access list 1 permit any. I talk about you previously. I talk about our generally. We must add comment permit any. After this, the package we're running out or in. Okay, we must see our topologies. fa0/1 is going out to our server. fa0/0 is going in the package. If we are ping PC3 is ping to our server. As you can see, the message will continue to go to the switch first, router 2, and goes to the router 3. And as you can see, if the package is running or goes to the fa0/0 is the mark of in. And if you want a configuration fa0/1 is configuration must be out. Okay, do you get it, guys? Interface fa0/1 IP access list group 1 is out. Okay, if you configuration at fa0/1 is out, fa0/0 is in, and you must see your topology first. Okay, that will not be synchronized with my topologies. Okay, done. Not very simple configuration, and we gonna check it in again. As you can see on your screen, destination unbreakable because we just adding the access list configuration. You can see PC3 can ping to our server, but PC2 can ping to our server, but PC3 cannot because we just adding our that configuration standard access list. Okay, thank you guys for your watching this video. I hope you will understand this video, and if you have any question you can ask in the comment column. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again next time with me at Learning Kisco and Microtik with Faras. See you next time. Peace.